Hello friends, welcome to Sauparnika Store channel. In today's video, I am here to discuss in detail about one of the world's oldest non-spicy plant that has vanquished the entire world with its matchless sweet aromatic flavor and taste and won the prestigious title of Indian Spice Queen. The glimpse of this spice queen plant standing upright in the fog-clad mountain valleys under cover of dense forest spreading around precious, fresh emerald green like fruit-bearing pods, enjoying the cold breeze and the morning bright sunrise filtering down through the thick forest trees can move us to a world of ecstasy and refresh both our mind and body. Yes, I am talking about cardamom spice growing plant derived from seeds of plants of genus Elateria amomum that belongs to Singeri family. This spice plant is known in different names. In Hindi-speaking region, this spice is known as Choti Ilachi. In Tamil, the name is Elakkai, and in Malayalam, the name is Elakaya. Now, let us have a look into the details of this unique plant. As this video contains all required vital details about cardamom plant, you may watch this video to the last. Cardamom is one of the exotic and oldest known herbaceous perennial spice plants. The aromatic spice pods produced by this herbal tropical plant is a highly prized cash crop that attracted many overseas traders and merchants of ancient times to the shores of southmost Indian states. Even today, cardamom has great commercial value and is one of the India's most significant export items. The native of this cute spice plant is southern Indian states and Sri Lanka. They are also cultivated in Central America's Guatemala uplands. The little aromatic cardamom seeds are deliciously rich and tasteful and are very commonly used in many delicacies all over the world. In India, the very famous cardamom hills known as Yelamala spread over 50,000 hectares of area in the lush green mountain ranges of Idukki district of Kerala is one of the prime producers of cardamom spice fruit pods. Besides, the Theni district and western Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu also grows cardamom. The cardamom we generally see in shops are the most common dried green capsules. These green capsules are also known as true cardamom. Besides the green, there are other forms of cardamom such as brown cardamom, black cardamom, red cardamom and white cardamom. Although we are very familiar with these names, we hardly may have tried to explore and understand the difference between these. The variety of cardamom is categorized and classified on the basis of capsule size, aroma, taste, color and flavor, which may vary minutely. The main difference in variety is that the pods from genus Elateria are light green, while pods from genus Amomium are larger and darker. Dark cardamom, also known as Bedi Ilachi or Kala Ilachi, has bit smoky and camphor flavor with a mint-like cooling taste. These are widely used in biryani, fried rice and many other dishes. The green cardamom we use generally has a pleasant and strong aroma. White cardamom is prepared in some regions for use in stews, curries and other local dishes simply because of its unique and refreshing aroma and taste. Red variety cardamom is the ripe fruit of another herb and is related to ginger. This is mostly used in Asian cuisines. Among the cardamom lovers, some of the well-known pods are identified in the name of South Indian places like Alleppey, Mangalore and Mysore. Cardamom, as I have said before, is a herb and has great medicinal values. Researchers claim that anti-inflammatory and hypolipidemic properties present in cardamom can control blood sugar level. Besides, this herbal medicine plant, its seeds and the oil extracted are said to be effective for improving digestion and to fight against inflammation and deadly cancer. Cardamom is also said to be effective in controlling tumors. It can be helpful in weight loss and to remove accumulated calcium and urea in the urinary tract with toxins. Cardamom is also said to be effective in oral health as it fights against bad breath and cavities. This may be the reason that the ancient Egyptians had the habit of chewing cardamom. In some of the North Indian states, there is still the custom of offering cardamom after meals. Cardamom has great significance in traditional and Ayurvedic medicines. According to Ayurveda, cardamom is thyroidic and can be helpful to balance body's three elements called Vata or wind, Pitta or bile and Kapha, the phlegm. Like the seeds, cardamom leaves are also used for cooking dishes in some regions. Now a word of caution. Excess and regular consumption of cardamom can lead to health problems as the spice can interact with some medicines. Therefore, it is always better to restrict excess and regular use of this spice without approval of a qualified doctor. Now, let us understand how cardamom plants are grown. Growing this plant is not a Herculean task. New plants can be grown from rhizomes and seed. Growing from rhizomes is much easier and convenient than from seed. All we have to do is to carefully separate the rhizomes from mother plant and grow in a pot or in the open. If we are planning to grow plants from seeds, only fresh and healthy seeds collected from reliable sources may be used. The area selected should be neat, cool and clean with adequate indirect sunlight. Cardamom plants like forest loam soil and therefore care to be taken to ensure that the soil is well balanced with low phosphorus level and high potassium level. While planting, it would be better to keep a distance of about an inch between seeds. Plant seeds in about 1/8 inch deep soil and water regularly for germination. Seeds may take about 20 to 35 or 40 days to germinate. Healthy cardamom plants generally start yielding in 2 to 3 years' time. Cardamom plants love to stay in moist and totally dislike hot climate and drought conditions. If we grow this plant in pots in our balconies and verandas, it would be better to save them from fervid summer days. Flowering takes place in 2 to 3 years after planting. The bicycle flowers start blooming and takes almost a month's time to complete full blooming. The long flowering shoots bearing 2-inch dia-sized flowers with greenish petals with purple veined white lip appear. Some varieties produce black, white and red pods. It takes 4 to 6 months time after its formation to convert into fully matured tricolor capsules. On maturity, these capsules are harvested and crushed open to get little black seeds. The harvesting periods in Kerala and Tamil Nadu generally starts from June-July and continues till January and February. The harvested capsules are sorted, cleaned and dried in specially designed drying houses before they are stored. Cardamom plants can be a gold mine if we take proper care of them by feeding, watering, pruning and controlling pests and disease. Like many other plants, this spice plant also have enemies. Shoot borers, thrips, white flies, caterpillars and root grubs are the main enemies. Besides, there are diseases like rhizome rot, leaf blotch, capsule rot, seeding rot and leaf spots. Of all these, rhizome rot is very serious issue. As this can adversely affect the plants and the yields, adequate care must be taken to protect them. Spraying effective and recommended insecticides to a great extent can save these little Indian spice queen plants. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the information given, please support by subscribing and with your like and sharing. We at Saupernika Store Home Garden grow exotic and rare plants. If you like to see my earlier videos, please see the link in the description box. I will be back with details of another exotic rare plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.